You're welcome to another time of our tutorial. Blah blah blah. Okay, so first of all, we want to work on this home screen. But before that, we're going to create a view model, right? A view model is going to hold our static data that we're going to put in this application, right? So we already have a view model folder created already. All you just have to do is come here and create. Okay, call it a custom class. Call it home view model, right? Okay, and for those of you who don't understand Kotlin as a language, you will have to go learn about Kotlin on your own. Okay, so I don't really have much I would have to say concerning this view model. So we're going to create. So we're going to create a variable that holds our carousel. Call it carousel data. It's going to be a mutable list, right? Of call it a news model, which we have not created yet. So when it goes to our core, we're going to create a new package. I'm going to call it model, right? In that model, I'm going to create a data class called news model. Like I said earlier on, for some of you who don't understand Kotlin as a language, you have to go learn that by yourself. So in this model, we're going to have title of type string. We're going to have, okay, let's say the station. Not necessarily do. Let's just have it there. Okay, let's just have it there, just in case. Type string. The image URL. Going to be of type int. Right, so these are all the fields that are going to be required in our news model class. Okay, we'll come here with import. I'll go back to our Viewmodel class. Sorry, I'm so used to this semicolon if you're coming from Java background, but on Kotlin is not needed. So we're going to have a recommendation list of data, recommendation data, which is this guy here. So in this tutorial, we're not going to cover this tab view. We're just going to do here to here. Okay, so let's go. This is going to have a mutable list of data, news model. Voila. So I'm going to have an init. Now, init serves as we want it to run immediately. This our view model is active. So I'm going to create carousel data. dot add, right? So it's going to be of type news model. I'm sure you understand. Then, so we're going to be adding the data one by one. Okay, so you're just going to have to follow through or copy and paste for this. So as you've seen, first of all, we first created the home view, the view model that's going to hold all our static data. They're going to hold all these static data, right? And so we have, I decided to use two different variables to hold the data. We have the carousel variable that holds the carousel data, which will hold all these guys here, and we have recommendation to hold all the recommendation data. We could have used the same thing, but I just said to just use the two of them. So I created a new a view mode a model, right, called a data class that holds the types that are going to be put into the list. Then I came here in the init function. This init block is run when this home view model is initialized. So in here, for the character data, I started adding the data that are going to be inside. You can see this, right? Then for the recommendation data, I did the same thing. So it's more like copy and paste. They are almost the same thing, by the way. Okay. So I believe you understand this. So the next thing we're going to do now is to build the user interface using these data we've put into our application. Okay, so we're going to work on the home page, on the home view. This is what we're going to work on. Now, on this page, there's some stuff we're not going to touch, but let me just highlight what we're going to do. We're going to work on this menu button, titles, carousel, slider. But we're not going to touch this tab view, but we'll do this guy. So just sit tight and learn the process, right? Okay. Now, in the next class, we're going to get into it properly.